Hello, dear students, it's a heartily welcome on our YouTube channel. We expect you all are healthy and doing well and putting a step towards your career. So, we are with the massive and amazing information about the event which is held in Nagpur, Maharashtra, 108th Indian Science Congress held on 3 to the 7th of January 2023. So, we are with the new registration video for attending the Indian Science Congress. So go through the video for whole registration process so you can able to apply for it. We are at the official homepage of the Indian Science Congress. Here all information about the important dates is given. So let's go towards registration process. Let's go. So, upload your latest photo here. Select proper designation and enter your full name. Further choose gender. Enter date of birth and email address through which organizing committee will contact you and convey important information to you. Enter the city, state, country and pin code from where you belong. Enter yours contact no. Choose your nationality and passport details if you have. This is only for foreign students. Choose your membership details and category of participation. If you are students, then select student. Choose the section from which you are submitting the scientific abstract in Indian Science Congress. Then, finally enter the given captcha and submit your details. It will lead you to next page of fee payment. So, here due to ISC guidelines we can't share the payment details, so sorry this guys, and stay connected for more updates about ISC and IPC event here in description box. Video about the registration video of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress is given, so go through it. Thank you so much. For more information and updates, go through description box and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.